Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts in air fryer. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees F and lightly grease the basket. Prepare a sweet yeast or cake batter, shape donuts with a cutter or spoon, and avoid overcrowding. Cook for short intervals, flipping if needed, until edges are golden and centers spring back. Finish with a simple glaze, cinnamon sugar, or powdered topping for immediate serving. Gather basic ingredients like flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and your choice of yeast or baking powder. Warm liquids gently to activate yeast without killing it, and mix until smooth but not overworked. For cake-style donuts, combine wet and dry ingredients until just incorporated. Chill or proof dough as directed so shapes hold. Use a floured surface and a cutter or spoon to portion evenly for consistent cooking across. Place donuts in a single layer with space around each piece for airflow. Start with short cook times and adjust by 30-second increments to match your device and dough thickness. Use a thermometer or the spring back test for doneness rather than relying only on color. Cool briefly on a rack before glazing so toppings adhere properly. Enjoy small batches for freshest texture and flavor when serving to guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.